I've just moved here 11 months ago from Alberta, and I used to volunteer at a nature center in Lethbridge, and I learned a lot about the environment and the biodiversity within the southern Alberta environment. And I was kind of surprised when I was shown around this bog what a gem it was, and not only surprised, but I was amazed that I could volunteer here. And I talked to Isaku,
Yeah.
and he said, yes. So here I am. I feel extremely honored, and I'm so excited to learn about bogs. I don't know very much about it. So it's my first stage into the world of bogs and back into nature. Because just like me, when I came walking around, it sparked my sense of wonder. And when I can spark an aha moment for kids, it enables them to really understand not only themselves, but their interrelationship with the world around them. And it's not just, it's expanding their world and the interconnectivity with nature, with urban and rural, but also with their mind and body connection as well too.